Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to restore your password if you forget. So you can say this is the Crunchyroll anime streaming app. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the login button, and then you'll see the here like forget password, like this one. Simply tap on the forget password, and then you have to give your email, which email you are going to add here. So I'm just going to then send a reset link. Once you tap on the recent link, then you can see we have sent your password to reset email. So you have to check your email to get the verification or to restoring your password. So make sure you have to follow the further step, and they will told you everything on the mail. Then you can tap, you can see they just send the password like Crunchyroll. Reset your password. Once you tap here, then you can successfully change your password on Crunchyroll. So, friend, today is no mind. See you in the next video.